Who Lays Eggs by V. Hay, Dual Language NYC. I am a penguin. I lay eggs. I am a snake. I lay eggs. I am a hen. I lay eggs. I am a frog. I lay eggs. I am a lizard. I lay eggs. I am a spider. I lay eggs. I am a turtle. I lay eggs. I am a fish. I lay eggs. I am a platypus. I lay eggs. I am a crocodile. I lay eggs. I am a mosquito. I lay eggs. Thank you for watching and learning with me. Adios.